IKO Enertherm high-quality PIR insulation is designed for the thermal insulation of homes. Our insulation boards can be applied to the entire building envelope, from flat and pitched roofs to the insulation of floors, cavity walls and outer walls. These days, PIR has become indispensable in the insulation market. With a low lambda value of 22, IKO Enertherm's PIR insulation boards have a high insulation value, significantly improving a building's heat retention capacity. Choosing PIR is also beneficial for the fitter. The insulation boards are easy to saw or cut. Due to the pressure resistance and shape retention of our insulation boards, you can simply walk on them. This may certainly be useful for technical maintenance on solar panels, air conditioning units and other roof installations. Weighing 32 kilograms per cubic metre, PIR is a lightweight insulation material. Using IKO Enertherm PIR boards, you reduce the weight and thickness of building constructions. Due to high insulation values and thin construction, our insulation boards offer one of the most sustainable solutions on the market. PIR insulation can be easily combined with roof membranes and is dimensionally stable. The boards do not shrink. Our insulation's boards remain moisture insensitive in all weather conditions. It also retains the same insulation value as well as the same weight.